Okay. Hey guys, so welcome to this how to build for this. So this is a Minecraft how to build an underground base video. So here's all the stuff you need. I put a decorated pot for you'll see. Okay, so start by digging a 5x5 hole. Start by digging a 5x5 hole and do the same to all the other sides. Actually, you know what? Dig a 6x6 hole. This is a standard beginner underground survival base. So dig 6 holes, 1, 2, 3. Put the one for and save the last one for the floor. Okay, so you didn't want to see me mine all of these. That'd be boring. So I just did it ahead and do it quickly. I had to pause the video. Okay, now mine one more block for the floor. And if you break an extra block, don't worry. Just cover it up with the block you're using for the floor. Okay, and make sure to put the floor to dark oak planks. Wait, pause. I'm gonna add in a new item. Okay, now dig out some to place the torch. Dig out a space that is 2 blocks tall and 4 blocks wide. Mine an extra space to put dark oak. Over there, place some torches. And make sure to replace it with red carpet. You can make it any color, but I recommend red. Okay, make sure to change the walls into chiseled stone bricks. Do not do the top side. Actually, do the top side. Okay, now put all 4 of the corners to make pillars with spruce logs. They should be 7 blocks high. You can choose any planks, just like the floor. And if one is sideways, fix it right now to make it straight, just like all the other ones. Okay, after you're done making the pillars, put a slab on top of each pillar. I recommend putting polished andesite. Now make a way to climb down. Now put on some glass. And if you see any pop-ups on your computer, discard it now. Discard it now and keep building. And when it keeps lagging, reboot the game or just wiggle your camera. Now put a trapdoor on top. After you're done with the glass, now it's time to move on to the fur. Place two beds. And if something is wrong and you can't put it, go put some planks. Go put some planks in case you need to. And if you broke it by accident, go place it now. Now, if you're done making the bed, now you can make the kitchen / smelter. Or you first put a potted plant at just one corner. You can put it at any corner you want, but it has to be near a pillar. Place a decorated pot with 2 oak leaves. You can put however you want, but I recommend putting 1 so it won't take up too much space. Now you're gonna make the smelter. So you're gonna need you're gonna make it's gonna be mixed with a smelter and a kitchen. You also need these stuff too. also a smoker. You need 2 for each. Go get a chest and place it on top of the smokers and furnaces. Now put 4 trapdoors. Place 2 lanterns and use a temporary block if you need to. And place if your wall got broke or something, make sure if you don't have any room in your hotbar, go get the block from your inventory or hotbar. And then replace it. And then put it back where it goes. First break it, then put a painting. Break the temporary blocks you don't need and place the lantern again. Or if you want, you could and place a torch if you want to. Give you a couple. Okay. I'm gonna connect the video on that chair, the how-to video. Okay. And for the extra space you have in your room, make a nether portal.